Hello everyone. So today's date is 31st of May 2022 and today we are going to discuss about tree map in Java. So tree map is basically a class from the map interface and it is used to maintain or used to print or get the key value pairs of a particular objects in the sorted form. So let's see internally how a tree map works. We have the map interface which includes three classes basically, link hash map and hash map and tree map. So link hash map and hash map are store the key value pairs and it has the storing logic of its own. It basically stores the values of a particular key on the basis of its hash code logic. So whenever you want to get your data or get your objects in the sorted manner, there is need of a tree map. So tree map basically uses a sorting manner. So it stores the key value pair in the form of a tree basically. So tree is something that it has a number of objects on its left and right also. So from the last left we get the every value of a particular specified key. So this is what a tree map. Let's see how it stores the elements. We give a key and associate a value with it, and firstly it has a node which points to first ever object which is inserting in a map. So then whenever we want trying to add another values or another keys to it, so it checks the key with the first key, and if it is less than that key, it will store in the left side of the map, and else it will store in the right side of the map. So that object basically contains a key, a value, and reference variable which points to next, left or right objects. So from this we conclude that an object in a particular map has basically four things. The first one is key, the next one is value, a next left variable, a right variable, and also a parent variable which refers to its parent object. Now let's see what are the advantages of tree map. So basically in tree map your data searching is very super fast, because every time you go to search the data, it basically divides into two parts, and thereby searching drastically reduced by the a bigger or much lower time. So as tree map is a class, it also has a constructor with empty. So tree map can create a tree map as an empty tree map. The next constructor is constructor with a comparable comp, basically to put the object value pairs or key value pairs in the tree map. We can also specify our own logic of the sorting. So this we can give it to the constructors. The next constructor is constructor with a sorted map. So let's say you have already a map present and it is in a sorted manner. So that whole map will store in the tree map. So let's say let's check different methods of the tree map available. The first is a clear method which clears all the key value pairs of the map. The next is a key set method. Key set method means basically it gives the key mappings of the whole map. Entry set is there also, which gives the an entry mappings from the map. We can also get a particular value whenever with a specified key. That is get value method, get key method also. We can have a unique, or we can have duplicate values in a map, but we cannot have duplicate keys. If you try to add a duplicate keys in the map with the associated value, then value will be updated from that map. But map do not allow to add a duplicate key. Otherwise, it will show a null pointer exception. Not null pointer. It will not add basically. So let's say another methods also, which is a size method, which gets a size of a particular map. Then so this is about the tree map in Java. Thank you so much.